Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to Sileo in another episode. Yesterday, I felt like watching countless hours of stream, which had led me to eat from 7-Eleven. And these industrial gyozas taste just like the one fresh from Terminal 21. While most of y'all watching iShowSpeed in Jamaica. Anyway, I went to Central Pattaya to window shop some streaming material. I even asked y'all about it yesterday. Most of y'all rather have more short videos than stream. Today was workout as usual. Enjoying nature, and outdoor gym equipment. Once I finished my workout, I was on my way to Buakhao market to see the difference between buying from local market and supermarket. And I haven't forgotten to show y'all the aerial views of places that I've been. Yesterday we start from this 7-Eleven, still near the Bali Pier. Y'all already know Central Pattaya. And this outdoor gym too behind the White Praya temple. And there is the Buakhao market. As y'all can see, they got food already made, but I'm looking for fresh ingredients to make my own. And what I was looking for was outside, across the street. On my way back, I share with y'all the gas prices of today. With a lot of power outage due to the rainy season, there is a lot of policemen that are replacing red lights. So that's what I bought. I hope you'll appreciate. Thank you for watching entirely. Shout out to all of my subscribers for your likes, your comments, and your shares. See my dish at the end. Have a good one. Peace. I'm out.